There are only 3 ingredients for onion egg noodle soup. It is a very common and cheap home-cooked dish, and is rich in nutritional value. It not only softens blood vessels, but also reduces blood viscosity. Garlic and onions are considered to be superfoods that contain many heart protective benefits. Save and cook this healthy recipe for your family too. Ingredients are tomatoes, onion, fish balls, carrot, egg, and noodles. Cubes carrot. Peeled and sliced onion. Meatball cut half. Crack egg into bowl. Stir fry onion until translucent. Pour in egg and scramble. Pour 1 bowl hot water and let it simmer. Add carrot cubes. Add noodle, cook until softened. One teaspoon oyster sauce and chicken powder to taste. Add meatballs. Once meatball is cooked, off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Plate noodle. Time to enjoy onion egg noodle soup. This soup tastes sweet with onion and carrot, not oily at all, and it's delicious. Each scoop of soup with egg drop, it's really good. A bowl of hot noodle soup is really comforting. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like simple recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Share this delicious recipe out also to friend and family too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.